All right, we're ready to make tea. The water is boiling. Now we're gonna split this water between coffee and chamomile. The only cc's you need. Big face coffee. Filtered soul. Copico. Okay, we're gonna do something for fun. Put the illy coffee on top of the compost, and now we're going to put some water. Oh, there's an onion peel on top. Everybody has their own onion. Pay attention to your own reality. All right, now we have made chamomile coffee, and we have infused avocado seeds. And we'll taste it. See what it tastes like. Those are good for your forks and spoons and brushes. And these are good for cleaning your nails and also storing your avocado seeds. We'll get there, and your onions. Now let's taste this. It's very strong. Tastes like chocolate. We need to create the coffee filter to filter, and then I'll taste. So and add some brown sugar and some Khalifa's almond creamer. So now you're gonna go to your clean bottle reservoir. Just take one of these, they're all clean. And we're gonna get scissors, knife, and cut this. And prefer cut holes, pierce holes in here. Right, with this lighter, because I can't find my razor blade or the scissors, in this bottle, we're gonna simulate the off-the-grid blue bottle filtered soul fills tea, coffee, pour over. Ready? First, you're gonna take this nail, clean your nails, and then pierce holes. All right, so you're just gonna acupuncture it. There it goes. That's one hole. Part one. Ajuan. Put that under pressure. Once you've nailed your divine